Hello everyone. Today my quick briefing for you to know about various administrative penalties on value added tax. Cabinet resolution number 40 states various administrative penalties for different kind of failures involved with value added tax. Today I am going to share 10 very important administrative penalties which is being levied by federal tax authorities on different kind of failures. First penalty: the failure of the taxable person to keep the required information and documents as mentioned in the tax procedures law, and the penalty is AED 10,000 dirhams for the first time and AED 50,000 dirhams in case of repetition. Second important administrative penalty is the failure of the taxable person to submit the registration application within the time frame, that is within the 20 days since the time the threshold has been met, and the penalty is AED 20,000. Third important penalty is the failure of the taxable person to apply for deregistration within the time frame as specified in the tax procedures law, that is 30 days from the date either operation ceases to exist or any other conditions associated with the deregistration, and the penalty is AED 10,000. Fourth important administrative penalty is the failure of the taxable person to submit the return within the due date as mentioned in the law. Now due date is 28th of the next month, and the penalty is AED 1,000 for the first time and AED 3,000 in case of repetition within 24 months. Fifth important penalty is failure of the taxable person to pay the VAT amount within the time frame stipulated in the law, and the time frame is same as the filing of the VAT return, that is 28th of the next month. The penalty consists of percentage, so there is a variable percentage associated with this failure. 2% will be due immediately on the due date of making the payment. Then 4% would be due on the 7th day following the due date, and then 1% every day after 30 days from the due date. So we have to see there are 3 penalties associated depending upon when you have made the VAT payment. However, there is a ceiling of 300% with this particular penalty. Now, sixth important administrative penalty is submission of incorrect VAT return. Now, what are the consequences for submission of incorrect tax return in terms of penalty? So there are 2 kinds of penalty in such cases. First would be fixed penalty and other would be variable penalty. So fixed penalty is AED 3,000 for the first time and AED 5,000 in case of repetition. Variable percentage depends on the time frame within which we are filing the voluntary disclosure. If we have filed the voluntary disclosure before being notified by the tax authorities for tax audit, then the variable percentage is 5% of the outstanding amount which has been occurred due to error or omission. If the tax authorities has notified us for the tax audit and the tax audit has already started, then the variable percentage would increase to 50% of the amount which has occurred on account of errors or omissions due to incorrect return filing. Seventh important penalty is filing of voluntary disclosure application. Now, whenever there is a rectification to be done, we need to file the voluntary disclosure as per the FTA rules. Now, whenever we file the voluntary disclosure, again the penalty would be similar like the filing of the incorrect return, that is the variable percentage and the fixed percentage as we discussed in the 6th number administrative penalty. Eighth important administrative penalty is failure of the taxable person to issue the tax invoice when making the supply, and the penalty is AED 5,000 for each particular tax invoice. Ninth important administrative penalty is failure of the taxable person to display the prices inclusive of VAT. Now this would be applicable on the published prices. So if we go to restaurants, we go to the salon, we must see the prices should be inclusive of VAT, and we have seen like government FTA has levied huge penalties from this particular failure, and the penalty is AED 15,000. Last and 10th important administrative penalty is non-issuance of tax credit note whenever there is a cancellation of the services or failure of the delivery of the goods. In such cases, the penalty is AED 5,000 for each tax credit note. I hope These administrative penalties have made you cautious, and you will be vigilant and careful while filing your VAT returns to safeguard yourself from any of these administrative penalties going ahead. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.